Your life is shaped by choices, some small, some life-changing. Here are 20 important decisions you'll have to make, and they will define your future. Let's get into it. 1. Who you surround yourself with. Friends can lift you up or drag you down. 2. Choosing between comfort and growth. Growth is uncomfortable but necessary. 3. What career path to take. Passion versus stability. What matters most? 4. Whether to take risks or play it safe. No risk, no reward. 5. How you spend your time. Time is the one thing you can't get back. 6. Managing money wisely or carelessly. Millionaire habits versus broke mindset. 7. The attitude you choose daily. Positive mindset equals positive life. 8. Whether to invest in yourself. Skills, health, and knowledge pay off. 9. Who you marry or partner with. The wrong person can ruin your life. 10. How you handle failure and setbacks. Bounce back or break down. 11. Whether to follow your passion or settle for a job you hate. 12. Taking care of your health. Short-term pleasure versus long-term wellness. 13. Where you live and settle down. Your environment shapes your future. 14. Being a leader or a follower. Take charge or be controlled. 15. Your relationship with technology. Tool or distraction. 16. How you handle stress and pressure. Panic or power through. 17. Whether to start a business or work a job. Security versus freedom. 18. Choosing to be grateful or bitter. Gratitude changes everything. 19. How you raise your kids, or if you have them. Legacy starts here. 20. Whether to live with regret or take action. The clock is ticking. Life is all about choices. Make the right ones, and your future will thank you. Which choice do you struggle with the most? Drop a comment. Like, share and subscribe for more life-changing insights.